साधो साधो साधो। नमो तस्से भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्दस्से। नमो तस्से भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्दस्से। नमो तस्से भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्दस्से। Homage to the exalted one, the worthy one, the supremely enlightened one. Three refuge, Tisarana. Buddham saranam gacchami, Dhammam saranam gacchami, Sangham saranam gacchami. I go to the Buddha for refuge. I go to the Dhamma for refuge. I go to the Sangha for refuge. Dutiyampi buddham saranam gacchami, Dutiyampi dhammam saranam gacchami, Dutiyampi sangham saranam gacchami. A second time I go to the Buddha for refuge. A second time I go to the Dhamma for refuge. A second time I go to the Sangha for refuge. Tatiyampi buddham saranam gacchami, Tatiyampi dhammam saranam gacchami, Tatiyampi sangham saranam gacchami. A third time I go to the Buddha for refuge. A third time I go to the Dhamma for refuge. A third time I go to the Sangha for refuge. 5 precepts, Panchasila. Pānātipātā Veramani Sikkhapadam Samadhiyami. I undertake the training tool to abstain from taking life. Adinādāna Veramani Sikkhapadam Samadhiyami. I undertake the training tool to abstain from stealing. Kāmesu micchācārā Veramani Sikkhapadam Samadhiyami. I undertake the training tool to abstain from sexual misconduct. Musāvādā Veramani Sikkhapadam Samadhiyami. I undertake the training tool to abstain from false speech. Surameraya Majjapamādhatthāna Veramani Sikkhapadam Samadhiyami. I undertake the training tool to abstain from intoxicating drinks and drugs causing heedlessness. Buddha Vandana. Homage to the Supreme Buddha. Itipiso Bhagavā Araham Sammā Sambuddho Viññācarana Sampanno Sugato Lokavido Anuttaro Purisa Dhamma Sārati Sattha Deva Manussanam Buddho Bhagavati. Such indeed the exalted one, worthy, supremely enlightened, endowed with knowledge and conduct, well gone, knower of the world, incomparable trainer of persons to be tamed, the supreme teacher of gods and men, enlightened and exalted. Dhamma Vandana, homage to the teachings of the Buddha. Swakato Bhagavata Dhammo Sandentiko Akaliko Ehi Pansiko Opanaiko Panchantam Veditambo Vinyohiti. Dhamma is well expounded by the Supreme Buddha. Visible results, immediately effective, calling one to come and see, leading onwards and to be personally realized by the wise. Sangha Vandana, homage to the disciples of the Supreme Buddha. Supatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Ujjopatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Nyāyapatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Samiti Patipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Yadidan Chantari Purisa Yugani Atta Purisa Pungalang Esa Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Ahuneyo Pahuneyo Dakhineyo Anjali Karaniyo Anuntaram Punyam Kentam Lokan Sati. The Buddha's noble disciples spending a spiritual life. They dedicate their entire life for the spiritual life and for the longevity of the dispensation of the Supreme Buddha. Worship in all shrines in the universe. Vandami chetiyam sambham sambhatane supatittetam Saririka dhātu mahābodhim buddha rūpam sakalam sada. Offering candles and incense to the Supreme Buddha's noble qualities. Ganasaram padintena Dīpena tamadhamsina Tiloka dīpam sambuddham Pujayami tamonudam Gandha sambhara yuntena Dopena sugandhina Pujaye pujaniyantam puja bhajana muttamam Gandha sambhara yuntena dupenaham sugandhina Pujaye pujaniyantam puja bhajana muttamam. Offering flowers to the Supreme Buddha's noble qualities. Vanna gandha gunopetam Etan kusuma santating pujayami munindansa Siripada Saroruhe. Offering water and drinks to the Buddha's noble qualities. Adevase tuno bhante Paniyam nupanamitam Anukampannupadaya Patiganhatu muntama Adevase tuno bhante Gilana panchayang imam Anukampannupadaya Patiganhatu muntama. Prarthana, aspiration. Imina punya kammena mahame bala samagamo satang samagamo hotu yava nibbana pantiya. By the power of all these meritorious thoughts, may I have good friends until I attain the supreme bliss of Nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Dear friends in Dhamma, now we are going to practice meditation. Meditation means purifying our mind from negative thoughts. Especially by practicing meditation, we develop our awareness or mindfulness in the present moment. The nature of our mind is that going to past and future. If we are able to keep our attention in the present moment with positive thoughts, this is the purpose of Buddhist meditation. Not only we keep our attention in the present moment, at the same time we cultivate positive thoughts such as loving kindness and compassion. These are the positive thoughts that we practice, that we cultivate when we develop our mindfulness in the present moment. And also, not only that, we are aware of our body and mind at the moment. Little by little, if we are able to keep our attention in the present moment with positive thought and with the awareness of our body and mind, this is the success in our meditation. Especially at the beginning of Buddhist meditation, we practice loving kindness, that thinking thus, may all beings be well, happy and peaceful. This is one of the main meditation techniques in Buddhism because we mostly suffer because of anger. If we are able to overcome anger, actually we can overcome more than 50% stress in our mind. That is why in one side we eradicate negative thoughts such as anger throughout practicing loving kindness meditation. On the other side, by practicing loving kindness meditation, we develop our tranquility or samadhi, concentration. This is one of the purposes of practicing loving kindness meditation. At the same time, we purify our mind by practicing loving kindness. Day by day, we should increase the duration of practicing loving kindness, then we can develop our spirituality in the mundane level. On the other side, we are able to concentrate our mind in the present moment with positive thoughts. From our place where we are living, little by little, we spread our loving kindness to all over the world, for the universe. here we are going to practice loving kindness meditation. On the other side, we are going to practice contemplating on 4 fundamental elements. We made in 4 fundamental elements. They are earth element, water elements, fire elements, and air elements. These are the 4 fundamental elements. We contemplate on these 4 things. According to Buddhism, they say as Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo. We made in these 4 things, and we contemplate on these 4 things, and we think, my body, my physical body consists with these 4 things. It helps us to overcome our self-view, prone view. And if we think, my body is made in these 4 things, we can understand our life, our physical body. And also, it helps us to overcome our attachment, our greed or desire. On the other side, by contemplating on 4 fundamental elements, we develop our tranquility or samadhi or concentration. First of all, we practice loving kindness meditation. Then we contemplate on 4 fundamental elements like Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo. Finally, we practice insight meditation, Vipassana Bhavana. According to Buddhism, there are 2 main meditation techniques. They are Samatha Bhavana or tranquility meditation and Vipassana Bhavana, insight meditation. The purpose of practicing Samatha Bhavana is that contemplating on the physical things or material things, keeping our attention in the present moment with positive thoughts, and also by practicing insight meditation, we reflect on impermanence. Impermanence is the main teaching in Buddhism. Impermanence means our body and mind arise at the moment with the conditions. We think that our physical body is going to continuously every moment, or we think that our mind is certain or it goes continuously, but the nature of our body and mind is that impermanence. It means every moment our body changes. Our body arises and ceases at the moment. On the other side, our mind, every moment, mind arises and ceases. If you are able to realize this reality, actually automatically, attachments and detachment gradually reduce. This is the final purpose of Buddhist meditation by practicing Vipassana or insight meditation. If we are clever to reflect on impermanence, if we are able to reflect on impermanence which happens to our mind at the moment, contemplating on arising and ceasing, at the moment, our mind is not fixed anything or anyone outside. That is the real liberation, freedom that we achieve by practicing insight meditation. The teachings of Buddha always focus on achieving or attaining liberation or freedom. Our freedom completely depends on reducing ignorance or delusion. Delusion means we think that there are certain things outside, or we think that our mind is certain. That is why suffering arises. If you are able to understand impermanence, arising and ceasing of our body and mind at the moment, our mind doesn't depend on anything or anyone outside. At the moment, our mind completely depends on wisdom or panya. Whenever we depend on panya or wisdom, at the moment, nothing or nobody, they can disturb our peace of mind. This is the real liberation, freedom that Buddhism has introduced. By practicing meditation, in one side, we keep our attention in the present moment with positive thoughts, such as loving kindness. When mind is concentrated, when mind is in samadhi or samatha, we reflect on impermanence as it is, reflecting on impermanence of our body and mind. This is the thing that we are going to practice in this moment. Okay? First of all, we practice loving kindness meditation. Then we practice 4 fundamental elements. The contemplating on 4 fundamental elements. Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo. Finally, we reflect on impermanence, suffering and egolessness, the 3 characteristics, 3 lakshana in Buddhism. Dear friends in Dhamma, please get ready for meditation. First, keep your body straight. Relax your body, please. And keep your right hand on the left hand. And please relax your body again. Please be aware of your body posture from your legs to head. My legs, knees, hands, belly, shoulders, neck and head. Now, I keep my attention around the nose or upper lip in the present moment. I don't think my past or future. I completely keep my attention in the present moment, keeping my attention around the nose. Keeping my attention around the nose in the present moment. Now, I am going to practice loving kindness meditation. May all beings in this temple be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings at this temple be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this city, Pasadena, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this city be well, happy and peaceful. . . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . May all beings in this county, Los Angeles, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this county be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this state, California, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this state be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this state, the US, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this country, the US, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this continent, America, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this continent be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this planet, the earth, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this solar system be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this solar system be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this galaxy, the Milky Way, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this universe be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this universe be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this entire world be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this entire world be well, happy and peaceful. I am friendly with everyone in this universe. I see the all over the world like my family, like my children. May all beings in the entire world be well, happy and peaceful. I am friendly with everyone in this universe. My mind is filled with loving kindness and compassion. My mind is very pure and calm with loving kindness and compassion. I always think this world like my family, like my children. I always spread loving kindness to everyone in this universe. I am friendly with everyone in this world. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. Now I am going to contemplate on 4 fundamental elements. My body is made in these 4 things: earth element, water element, fire elements and air elements. They are Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo. My mind is made, my body is made. My body consists with these 4 things: solidity, liquidity, heat and motion. These are the 4 things that made my body. I contemplate on these 4 things: Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo. Earth element, water element, fire element and air element. I contemplate on these 4 things again and again. Earth, water, fire and air. They are Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo. These 4 things are not mine, myself, mine. These 4 things are not they are not myself, they are not mine. I contemplate on these 4 things again and again. Prithvi, Patavi, Apo, तेजो वायो, solidity, liquidity, heat and motion. Earth element, water element, fire element and air element. पृथ्वी, आपो, तेजो, वायो, solidity, liquidity, heat and motion. Earth element, water element, fire element and air element. These four things are not mine, they are not myself, they are not mine. I contemplate on these four things that are made in my body again and again. पृथ्वी, आपो, तेजो, वायो, earth element, water element, fire element, air element, solidity, liquidity, heat and motion. They are not myself, my or mine. They are not mine, they are not myself, they are not me. Every moment my body changed, my mind also changed. The nature of my body and mind is that changing. Every moment my body changes, my mind also changes. Everything is subject to change. Every moment my body arises with the conditions. When conditions cease, immediately at the moment my body changes, my body ceases. My mind also changes. Every moment my mind, the present thought, arises and ceases. Every moment my mind arises with the conditions. When conditions cease, my present thought immediately ceases. Every moment, my mind arises and ceases. The reality of my entire life is that arising and ceasing of my mind. That mind is not alone. My mind consists with other four things. They are Rupa and corporeality, Vedana feelings, Sanya perception, and Sankhara mental formations. These four things are with my consciousness or Vijnana. Every moment these five things, Rupa forms, Vedana feelings, Sanya perception, Sankhara mental formations, and Vijnana consciousness. These five things every moment arise together, they cease together. My entire life is these five things, five aggregates. These five aggregates every moment arise together, they cease together. Whatever I experience through my senses, such as eyes, it means these five aggregates arise together with the conditions, they immediately cease when conditions cease. My entire life is arising and ceasing of these five aggregates. They arise together, they immediately cease together. Arising, ceasing, arising, ceasing. These five things are impermanent. These five things are suffering. These five things are egolessness. These five things always arise together, they immediately cease together. they are impermanent. Anicca, impermanence. Anitya, impermanence. Anitya, impermanence. Sabbe sankhara anicchati yada paññāya pansati ata nibbindati dukkhe esa maggo visuddhya. Everything is impermanent. He who sees this reality overcomes suffering. This is the path to purify. Sabbe sankhara dukkhati yada paññāya pansati ata nibbindati dukkhe esa maggo visuddhya. Everything is suffering. He who sees this reality with wisdom overcomes suffering. This is the path to purify. Sabbe dhamma anattati yada paññāya pansati ata nibbindati dukkhe esa maggo visuddhya. All phenomena are no self, egolessness. He who sees this reality with wisdom overcomes suffering. This is the path to purify. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.